So found this jumping spider in bed on the ceiling, and I caught him. And then there's another little spider on the ceiling. It's getting cold, so they came in from outside, but he literally caught it and started eating it. The one's a jumping spider. The other one's just a regular house spider. I put them both in there, and I did not expect that guy to eat them, but he did. Look at that. That was pretty cool. Well, gave him a meal. Now I'm going to take him outside and let him go. Come on, buddy, I'm trying to let you go. You got you a meal? Now be free. Man, that's pretty cool. You will not come out of this pill bottle. It's like, bro, I'm trying to eat it. Good looking spider though. Alright, I'm gonna let him go.